Hi there. I was just thinking after some years driving with this bike, so I want to share with you some details, and most of all, if you tend to buy one between 2007 2013 model, that what should you change about it, and what are the good points, and I would say more things you should change when you buy a 1050 Tiger Triumph. So this model is a 210. It's an SE, which means it comes with some extra options as standard, but this one was full option model and saw first time the road in 2013. But I wasn't really, how you say, well, it could be better, so I changed some things, like for example, the spring, which tends to be a little bit soft when stock. So this one is Hyper Pro. It's progressive, with my weight, 80 kilos. It's perfect now. It's much better, and that's something you could change. And also this one, like 60 euro or something. It's a little bit longer than the stock, which comes like here, and it's metal, and also nice detail. So that's something you could change, because the grease is springing into your helmet. And here I changed, put in an extensioner. It's also something, it protects a little bit here. And of course, in front also I was looking for Showa because it's a Showa fork, but Showa didn't sell any other springs, or I couldn't find it. So I also choose Hyper Pro and another oil. So it's a little bit more stiff. And you feel it, it's a little bit more sporty if you want, so it's better. Of course, the lights were standard, horrible, so I put in some Cyclops Adventure LED, which makes the bike also look a little bit better, and it shines bright. Also, I lowered the bike 30 millimeter in front, so you can see. But that's, some guys do it 50, others do it 25. And in the back as well, I lowered it a bit. These two, how you say, I don't know in English, I changed them. A little bit paint work, makes the bike a little bit better, look better, because it's a little bit goofy as standard. And this one comes from Sport 2013. Found it for 50 euros, so painted it. It's much better, but that's what you want, Comes with the stock Arrow exhaust, put in K&N. It's also something you should do. K&N filter. Remove the catalytic converter and put in the map from the Indie Tiger, from the Tiger forum. I put in links of everything in the description beneath, so if you want something, it would be nice. Also very handy is some, hand warmers. It's also nice. You can see the lights much better now. Also comes with the dimmer, the Cyclops. I don't know if you can see it. It goes a little bit more bright, which is very handy. And a switch as well, so you can put them on and off if you want to. But most of all for the visibility, extra visibility. So very nice upgrade. Change the brakes to ABC, rotors and pads, but the standards are good. But one of other reasons they died on me, so I changed them, because these are like 100 euro cheaper than the standards and better. So why not? So I guess that's about it. That's all the things you should change. I think the springs, the lights, and of course course the mod for the, you know, the exhaust and the air filter. It's just very nice. We'll start it up just for the fun of it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You know, it's not very professional, but I hope it helps.